This week, we're going to go through Microsoft's identity system, and we are going to be customizing uh, the registration process. This is a little different than what the book is doing. The book is basically creating their own registration system. And instead of doing that, we are going to use the one that is built in to our MVC app. Now, if you want to follow along with what the book is doing, I did include a link to their Bookstore app, and you can download that, follow right along with what they're doing. But I do think that uh, it makes sense to use the identity system that Microsoft created because it is fairly robust. And what we're going to be doing is customizing that system because right out of the box, there are some features that it does not have. So I will show you how to add in those features. And then we are also going to add in roles, user roles, and then we will be adding some authorization attributes to our classes and methods that are going to limit who has access to those different views. So you're going to be learning how to do all of that. You are going to be downloading an app, and then you are going to be adding the different components to that app. I believe I called it Authentication. And as we go through here, it kind of explains what you're doing, and then the hands-on actually has you do it. Okay, so when you get down to the hands-on section, that is where you will be downloading the app, and then you'll follow along the hands-on instructions and start enabling identity and customizing it. So by the time you are done with this application, uh, there will be a couple different views people can see, but they will have to log in to see everything else. And only certain people will be allowed to actually edit and change things. And so you will be adding all of that to an existing app, and then you will be also adding that into your term project because there is a requirement. Take a look at that here. There is a requirement in the project for you to have that. So let's look down here. This requirement, number 10, you are going to have to establish some type of roles. And basically prohibit unregistered people from adding, deleting, and updating data. Okay, so this week you're going to be learning what you need to incorporate that into your project. Next week, we are going to learn how to deploy. Okay, so things are wrapping up.